If you want to clear your Chrome history quickly, this video will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to clean up your browser, protect your privacy, or just remove old search and site activity, Chrome makes it simple to delete your browsing history in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips and guides. Let's start with the fastest method. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This shortcut opens the Delete Browsing Data window right away, saving you time and taking you straight to the cleanup options. If you prefer to do it manually, open Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the three dots menu, then go down to Settings. In the Settings menu, find Privacy and Security, and click on it. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. This brings up the same clearing options, just through the browser settings, instead of the keyboard shortcut. Now you'll see a time range drop-down menu. This is where you choose how far back you want Chrome to clear your data. You can select something like last hour if you only want to remove recent activity, or choose all time if you want to clear everything from your browsing history. Pick the option that fits what you need. Next, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. If you want a deeper clean, you can also check other options like cookies and other site data, or cached images and files. Just be aware that clearing cookies may log you out of websites, and clearing cache may temporarily slow down loading the first time you visit some sites again. Once you've selected the time range and chosen the data you want to remove, click Delete Data. Chrome will process your request and clear the selected browsing information. Depending on how much data you have, this may take just a few seconds. And that's it. Your Chrome history is now cleared, and your browser is a little cleaner and more private. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.